Have you ever picked up your phone for just one thing, and suddenly 45 minutes vanish? You've scrolled, tapped, and totally lost track of your original goal. It feels like your attention is under attack, right? You're not imagining it. Studies show our ability to focus has significantly decreased. In just 2 decades, the average human attention span has reportedly dropped dramatically. According to some research, it went from 12 seconds in 2000 to just 8 seconds by 2015. That's less time than a goldfish can focus. But why is this happening, and can we fight back? One major culprit is dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. Every notification, like, or new piece of content gives you a tiny hit. Your brain gets trained to crave this constant, easy stimulation. Tech companies know this. They design apps with infinite scroll and autoplay features specifically to keep you hooked. It's a powerful system built to capture and hold your attention. You might think multitasking helps you get more done, but science says the opposite. Your brain isn't built to jump between tasks efficiently. Switching constantly creates attention residue. This mental lag slows you down and drains your energy, making deep focus incredibly difficult. The good news? You have the power to reclaim your focus. It takes conscious effort, but it's absolutely possible. Here are simple, science-backed strategies you can start using today. First, turn off unnecessary notifications. This single step reduces constant interruptions and gives your brain space to breathe and concentrate. Next, try structured work periods like the Pomodoro technique. Work intensely for 25 minutes, then take a short break. This trains your focus like a muscle. Practice monotasking. Focus on one thing at a time. Give it your full attention until it's done. You'll likely find you complete tasks better and faster. Finally, protect your brain's health. Prioritize sleep, exercise, and take regular breaks from screens. These habits build a stronger foundation for focus. Your ability to focus is one of your most valuable assets in today's world. In an environment designed to fragment it, consciously reclaiming your attention is an act of empowerment. So, the next time you feel the pull of distraction, pause. Take a breath. Choose to direct your focus intentionally. You are in control. If this helped you understand and want to improve your focus, please like this video. Share it with someone who struggles with distractions, and tell us in the comments, what's your biggest focus challenge? Subscribe for more ways to live intentionally and stay sharp.